CTMX. CTMX, you probably heard that name if you're interested in stocks and you've been paying attention. According to Yahoo Finance, who actually supported this article on CTMX, shares of CTMX are up 55.3% in aftermarket trading on January 5th after management announced its collaboration agreement with Moderna to create investigational mRNA-based conditionally activated therapies. All right. The collaboration intends to combine Moderna's mRNA technology with CytomX's ProBody platform to generate and develop therapeutics for oncology and non-oncology conditions. Okay, so there's actually a partnership going on between CTMX and Moderna. Okay, Moderna is partnering with CTMX, and that is what is causing this drastic rise in the price. Now, I didn't buy CTMX when it was $3, and good thing I didn't, because this thing fell all the way down to $2. However, at $2, that's when I started to recommend to my students to start buying CTMX. In fact, I actually had a student who bought in a little bit late. Well, he wasn't a student yet. He just became a pro student, and he bought CTMX at like $2, $2.70. I mean, so he paid a lot for it because coming into stock trading, but we were able to get him out around $2.92, which was my price target for CTMX. In fact, right here, or $2.82 actually was my price target. So he was able to pull a profit. $2.82 was not the absolute top of the stock. Okay, and you'll find that I do not like to try to guess what the absolute top of the stock is. I will give you price targets that are likely to be hit, and that way you will almost always come out on top. And that's really important to me, is that you almost always come out on top. You don't want to be taking a bunch of trades where some of them work and some of them don't, where it's 50-50 or it's 60-40. You don't want to be losing a lot of trades, period. When you lose a trade, you're losing money. And that does multiple things to your mindset as a trader. First of all, as a trader, you start to become less confident. Okay, so it's harder for you to pull the trigger. Second of all, you start to become wary, such as believing that what you have done in terms of your research is maybe not true. And the third is, if you lose too many trades, it's going to cause you to have a negative outlook for your stock trading career. And so all of those things together make it very important that you do not lose money in stock trading. And that's not even going over the fact that if you lose money stock trading, then you have less money to trade with, which means you have to get a bigger win in order to get back to break even. You don't ever want to lose money stock trading. Stop losing money. Stop losing money stock trading. Make sure that you're winning most of your trades, and the way that you're going to do that is by trading stocks like CTMX, right, which has this amazing news catalyst and which jumped from $2 to about $3, and it's just continuing to uptrend now. But trade it properly. Okay, trade it properly. You don't want to be trading this thing as if it's going to keep on going up forever. And if you short it, you don't want to short it thinking it's going to keep going down forever, because stocks don't move like that. They have up and they have downs. And the reason why most stock traders fail is because their emotions get the better of them. They don't like to see losses. The stock moves against them. They'll either sell out, or even worse, the stock moves against them and they'll hold on to their position for days and months and years until all of their money is tied up. They're never able to invest in anything else, and they lose everything. So to avoid that on CTMX, you don't want to be picking it up here at $2.88 or $2.90. Instead, you want to wait for this thing to come above $3. Okay, wait for CTMX to come above $3. Then you can think about picking it up. And ideally, we get a test of $3. So not only does the stock come above $3, but it actually retests $3. And CTMX, right, being a biotech stock, is not a stock that you want to hold long term. Okay, biotech stocks are extremely volatile. You can have gains, but you can lose them just as fast as you make them. And so you don't want to take that kind of risk. Trust me, you don't want to take that kind of risk when trading a stock. You want to have these high probability trades where you know where to get in, you know where to get out, and most importantly, when you come in with that mindset of I know what to do, you are on it, and you know how to react to however the price moves, then you're going to be much better off than someone who goes in without a plan. Those people are going to be the ones who are going to be donating to your trading account. Okay, so trade like a professional trader. Think about getting into CTMX after it goes past $3, after it goes past 302. So after it breaks 302, then I do have some price targets for you. So CTMX can go up to 320, it can go up to 342, and it can go up to 360. I don't see CTMX going past $3.66. So just keep that in mind if you're going to trade CTMX. So make sure to sell most of your position before you get to the $3.66 level. Okay, these are golden profit targets that will help you make a lot of money in the stock market. I mean, these profit targets are such gold that they have made my students, thousands of dollars in a single day, and on a very recurring basis. Okay, so make sure that you are indeed going over these price targets and you're selling at these price targets, because they'll save your life. A lot of traders don't know when to sell at certain price targets. They don't know what they're supposed to be doing. They'll hold on to a stock, they'll see it going up, greed will get the better of them, the stock will go back down, they'll lose money, right? Everyone's been there. And or maybe the stock comes down and they don't know what they're doing, and either they lose money or they end up holding it for too long, or worse, they sell it and then it goes back up without them. So to avoid that, to avoid losing money stock trading, you want to be selling at predetermined profit targets. Now, this is something that you won't hear on any other channel, but selling at predetermined profit targets is going to set you way ahead of the game. Now, what about you swing traders out there? Well, I want to throw in a bonus for swing traders. Swing traders want to be taking a look at a few, two stocks, QS and RUM. QS and RUM. These are two stocks which I'm potentially going to be taking some swing trades on. RUM, if it holds above $7, is going to be a really solid trade. RUM can go up quite a bit, and it's on a key reversal point. So this thing, picking it up right now, mark my words, this thing is going to be valued at a lot more in a few weeks, if not a few months. It's going to be even more. Because right now the reversal pattern on it is so strong. It's been in a downtrend for so long. This thing could be really good. Same with QS, right? These both have similar price patterns, and they're both fairly mid to large cap stocks. So these are decent companies. Okay, QuantumScape Corp company and Rumble Incorporated company. These companies can go up so much. Actually, there's a lot of potential in these stocks, and they're fairly slow movers. So you can just kind of make your 3%, your 5%, your 10% each day on these awesome stocks, and you can make that money fairly easily. Again, it's like 20-30 times better than what you get investing in the S&P 500, so you're good. Trading those is awesome, and if you want to trade some parabolic stocks, I do have a few of those for you to look at. CVAC is a good one, not super parabolic. BBBY has earnings tomorrow, so take a look at that one. Keep an eye out on BBBY. And APGN. Now this is for you crazy day traders out there. Picking up APGN anywhere from 133 to 144 can net you a huge increase if you sell at 171, 189, and 207. And make sure to close your position at 207. At least that's what I'll be doing. These are my iron golden rules for stock trading. And before we finish off here, I just want to take the day trader's oath. Okay, day trader's oath. I promise to do everything in my power to make my viewers as much money as possible. So help me God. Now that we've gone over our top stocks and CTMX and what's happening with CTMX and how to trade CTMX, we're going to go ahead and close out. If there's any questions that you have, or if you want to join our free Discord. I'll leave the link down in the description and in the comment section. And y'all have an amazing day.